Pipeline integrity management is the cradle-to-grave approach of understanding and operating pipelines in a safe, reliable manner. PIM programs are systems managed by pipeline owner-operators that consider all stages of the pipeline life cycle, from conception to engineering and design, construction, operation, inspection, repair, and finally to replace when necessary. Let's take a moment to clarify a few key points and terms. We now understand that transmission pipelines are the pipelines that transport natural gas over long distances, and distribution pipelines are those pipelines that deliver natural gas to homes and businesses. These two distinctly different pipeline types require different integrity management plans. When we refer to DIMP, we are referring to Distribution Integrity Management Plans. When we refer to TIMP, we are referring to Transmission Integrity Management Plans. Pipelines have a commendable safety record and are the safest way of transporting hazardous materials. However, incidents continue to occur, though infrequently, and some result in significant consequences. PHMSA adopted integrity management regulations for transmission pipeline beginning in 2000 to reduce the frequency of these incidents and improve safety. In December 2003, the Office of Pipeline Safety issued a final rule requiring natural gas pipeline operators to develop integrity management programs, IMP, have them in place by December 2004, and to complete baseline assessments of pipeline in high consequence areas, HCAs. The Distribution Integrity Management Program, or DIMP, activities are focused on obtaining and evaluating information related to the distribution system that is critical for a risk-based proactive integrity management program that involves programmatically remediating risks. The DIMP rules address how gas utilities identify, prioritize, and evaluate risks, address threats, and validate the integrity of their gas distribution system. Although the foundational requirements underlying the DIMP rules are similar to Transmission Integrity Management Program, TIMP rules, DIMP rules have less of a prospective nature than the TIMP rules. PHMSA determined that more general requirements were needed for distribution systems given the diversity of distribution systems and the unique threats to which they may be exposed. The Gas Distribution Integrity Management regulations require operators, such as natural gas distribution companies, to develop, write, and implement an integrity management program with the following elements. First, they must understand system design and material characteristics, operating conditions and environment, and maintenance and operating history. They must identify existing and potential threats, as well as evaluate and rank risks. They must also identify and implement measures to address risks. They need to measure the integrity management program performance, monitor results, and evaluate effectiveness, as well as periodically assessing and improving the integrity management program. They must also report performance results to PHMSA. Let's go over two important definitions. Threat identification is information about the pipeline segments that are evaluated to identify areas of concern and to assess risk. Risk analysis is a systematic process in which potential hazards from facility operation are identified, and the likelihood and consequences of potential adverse events are estimated. Operators are required to identify and evaluate all potential threats to pipeline systems, and they must consider interactions among these different threats, such as environmental, mechanical, and fabrication-related threats. Now, let's talk about natural gas pipeline threats, which are defined as both external and internal corrosion, stress corrosion cracking, both manufacturing and construction, equipment, third-party mechanical, incorrect operation, and weather-related or outside force. As you can see, the procedures and practices implemented to protect, manage, and maintain the integrity of pipeline systems are extremely important. Due to the severity of pipeline failures when they occur, the guiding principle of pipeline integrity management programs is to maintain the highest standards of safety and operating conditions for the betterment of both people and the environment.